Anna, are you doing Python?
Yes.
You taught me Python, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not able to write like code. I can write the code or something. But can you help me?
Okay.
Like writing the code and anything.
Okay. So even before you become a programmer, you need to understand how you write a program. The logic is required. So the first step is to learn how do you plan your entire logic, and for that there's a concept called as pseudocode. So you need to understand what is a pseudo. So there's something called a pseudocode, as I said. A pseudocode basically is the choice of a smart programmer. Before you do anything, you have plan first. So pseudocode is a plan.
Okay.
And this is basically a human friendly way, not for a computer, it is for you.
Okay.
To explain, to describe what you want to write as a program. Okay. For example, you want to cook something or your mother want to cook something.
Yeah.
Then there will be a plan, there will be a recipe.
Okay.
In that recipe, you will have each step detailedly explain what you need to do first, what you need to do second,
Yeah.
etc. Right? That's called as a recipe. So pseudo code is nothing but a program's recipe. Before you write any program, you have this ready.
Okay.
In short, it's a recipe for programming. Now let's say I'm asking you to make a cup of tea. So suppose you're being asked, right? So what is that you're going to do is called as pseudocode. You're not actually doing the tea, you're not preparing tea. You're trying to do a plan here. That's nothing but your pseudocode. So what is the first thing or naturally what comes in your mind when you're asked for making a tea?
Boiling water.
Step number one, you have to boil water. Very good.
Step number two, add tea powder.
Very good.
Then add milk.
You're adding milk.
Then sugar if you want to.
Yes.
Then last, you should serve it.
Very good. So this is a human friendly way to understand how you prepare a tea, right?
Yes.
So this is nothing but pseudo code for your program.
Okay.
All right. So in short, if you're trying to compare a pseudocode with real program, pseudocode is more in a natural language concept. It's more like explaining things. Whereas in Python, for example, Python, you have to follow those syntaxes. So there's a difference.
It's very hard.
Remembering syntaxes is very hard. Exactly. So it is easier to read. Pseudocode is easier to read. There are no strict rules. You can write in your own way, right? And you're always focusing on logic rather than writing the code. So now, what is pseudocode exactly?
Pseudocode is actually um, a code which helps humans understand.
Yes, it is nothing but the process that you are trying to plan first before you write your program. And it will be very easy to read and understand. So even non-programmers, people don't know program, they can also do the pseudocode. Clear?
Clear.
We will try to learn how we approach this pseudocode thing. Sure?
Okay, sure.
Are you game?
Yes.
Yes. All right.